Excuse me, ma'am. This is my box. It's here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my new makeup kit. If you are new here or have not heard, I have officially enrolled in makeup school. I know I've mentioned it, but I have officially enrolled this past week and I received the kit that comes with my program and I wanted to unbox it with you. So I have an idea of what's coming in the kit because they shared it, but I wanted to do the full reveal with you. The program that I am enrolled in is with Online Makeup Academy, New York-based academy led by industry professionals. I enrolled for the Elite course, which is a combination of two of their makeup courses that I can take at my own pace. I just have to submit all the assignments that I'm given. I am paired with an online tutor. She already sent me a welcome video. It was so sweet. She critiques my work. She gives me feedback and pointers to improve. And she's kind of like my online tutor throughout this whole process. So I think that's super cool. It's very personal. You know, since I don't have the time or capacity to enroll in an in-person program, the flexibility of this is just really nice. And it's nice that I still feel like I'm getting that personal, high quality education. The course that I enrolled in does come with a full makeup kit to help me kind of get started. This will help me to complete my assignments and also kind of kickstart my makeup kit for my career. So that's really cool. We are gonna unbox it together. Let's do this. Look at the box. Yay. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. This is so exciting. First, from Inglot, we have Makeup Fixer. I think this is like a setting spray. Plasto Wax, natural Plasto Wax from iMagic Professional Cosmetics. I think this might be like special effects makeup. Selfie Ring Light, also from Inglot, AMC Gel Eyeliner. From Makeup Forever, Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream, waterproof. I think these might be concealers. Let's see. These are the Makeup Forever concealers. We've got a light, a medium, and a deep. Shade 3, shade 7, and shade 18. Pro Routine Voluminizing Mascara. Ooh, it's like a two-sided one. It's kind of fun. This is also from Inglot, a High Gloss Lip Oil. Ooh. I think you like crank it. Inglot Duraline Makeup Mixing Liquid. What does that mean? Oh, you mix it with a makeup product of your choice and it creates a liquid waterproof formulation. That's really cool. Inglot Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's got a little puff in it too, how cute. Makeup Forever Aqua Reset Brow Filler. Okay, it's got a triangle applicator. A spoolie. Interesting that they only give you one shade of a brow pencil because I feel like everybody's brows are a different color, right? Let's get into some foundation. This is from Makeup Forever. I'm really excited about these. I've seen these in Sephora and I've always wanted to try, but they're very expensive. HD Skin Undetectable Stay True Foundation. All right, so these are the 4 shades I got. Light, medium, tan, and deep. Next we have some lashes. I also get a palette and a spatula. Aqua lip liner. Makeup Forever lip liner. I have been wanting to play around with stuff like this. I thought they would be actual rhinestones, but with glitter specks. Makeup Forever Hydra Boost Step 1 Primer. This is a hydrating base Hydra Booster from Makeup Forever. This one is from Inglot. Little angled tip brush. I believe this is for the gel liner. Look how cute the little bag is. Fun! I love new brushes. They're so clean. Look at that. Look at all those brushes. Onto some palettes. They like don't put labels on these things. Oh, it's a color correct palette. Ooh, these look like wet almost. Here is the color correct palette. On to our first eyeshadow palette. This is from iMagic Professional Cosmetics, the 16 color eyeshadow palette. That's all it's called, is 16 color eyeshadow palette. Look how fun those colors are. Moving on to a blush palette. It says makeup, Online Makeup Academy on it, so I wonder if it's like from their brand. Didn't know they had a brand. This is the blush palette. Look at all those fun colors. Oh, this is to submit my assignments. I guess I have to like take a picture, put this in my pictures that I submit. This one is also from Online Makeup Academy. It's their lip palette. Ooh, that's what the lip palette looks like. They're sweating a little bit. This poor palette is dying in the Florida sun. Also from Online Makeup Academy is their Pro Line Contour Blush and Highlight Palette. Blush? There's no blush in here. Contour and a highlight palette. These are all powders. And the last item in here, I believe, is another eyeshadow palette. It's got no name to it. That's so funny. If this isn't a copy of the Jaclyn Hill palette, I don't know what is. Let me just show you. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Look, they're like identical. Is that even legal? I did say in one of my recent TikTok videos that this is like the #1 palette that I have in my eyeshadow collection. Like if I had to pick one palette to use for the rest of my life, it would be the Jaclyn Hill, because just like look how versatile it is. So you've got your warm tones. I like warm tones more than cool tones, so it kind of gives you some of everything. I want to touch them so bad to see if the quality is still good. All right, so overall first impressions, I think they said that this kit is worth $700, which I'll have to look up the prices on like these Makeup Forever products, because I know that they are pretty expensive in Sephora, and I'm sure Inglot is too. A lot of the palettes did feel a little cheap. I kind of hate to say that. So that part was a little bit underwhelming, and anyone that knows me knows how much I love eyeshadow palettes. So I'll have to see the quality of them and get to actually try them out, but a little disappointed in that, like the contour palettes, the lip palettes, the eyeshadow palettes, all just, they look and they feel a little cheap. So that's a little bit frustrating. A lot of it is stuff that like I don't even know if I'd use. I don't know if I totally use on like a regular basis. But all that to say, like I got to see a list of the products I was going to get in the kit before I ordered it. So I was kind of aware that there's some stuff in here that I probably won't use in my professional kit, like when I'm actually working on clients. But I'm obviously taking the course for the sake of learning, like for the sake of the education. The kit was just a bonus, you know, getting to try some of these nicer brands and learning about professional brands that you're not going to see in Sephora. Obviously, like that's really cool too. And you never know, some of these things may surprise me. They may end up being really good and you just don't normally hear about it on like TikTok and stuff. So we will have to see. This program, I also, once I finish and I receive my certification, I'll get like pro discounts with certain brands, where I can get, I think, like up to 40% off with certain brands like Morphe, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think Makeup Forever was one of them, NYX. So that is also a really cool part of it. Like all those things are included in like what I paid for the course. So it wasn't just for the kit, because I know that I already have a decent amount of makeup and I will continue to build up my kit with things that I like over time. So this is just kind of a nice like first step, like stepping stone to getting to that. But yeah, I'm still really excited to do the program and start this little journey. Hope you'll tag along. I will do my best to share as much as I can on here. You know, tips and tricks I'm learning and kind of what my experience is doing an online makeup program, because I know it's a little bit different than like a traditional like cosmetics program that you'd normally go in person for and practice on people. I hope you'll tag along for my journey and learn alongside me. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I do post on Instagram here and there. TikTok, I'm at j.leeperez, and I do fun makeup looks over there and other makeup things that are trending. I share all the new makeup that I'm buying very regularly and all the new brands that I'm checking out. So feel free to follow me over there. Instagram, I'm at jlee.makeup. is my makeup account. Go ahead and subscribe here to follow along with my makeup journey. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.